perfect guy. I can have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know